Want to invest like a pro? Here's a golden rule from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors, teaches us a crucial lesson with this quote. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. But why? A wonderful company has strong fundamentals, a solid market position, and the potential for long-term growth. Even if you pay a fair price, the value of a wonderful company tends to increase over time, rewarding patient investors. On the other hand, a fair company may have temporary appeal, but its long-term prospects are often uncertain. To make smart investments, focus on understanding a company's fundamentals. Look for consistent earnings, a competitive edge, and good management. Diversification also helps. Spreading your investments across high-quality companies reduces risk and maximizes returns. Subscribe to Build Wealth Wise for more insights on smart investing. Don't miss out on valuable knowledge to help you build a secure financial future. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay invested, and let's build wealth wisely together.